Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an Discord setup.exe installation has failed to extract installer. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be if you already have Discord installed on your computer, then you just need to go to search menu and type add or remove program. Open up, click on open it. In the search field you just need to search for Discord. You just need to click on this three dot icon over here and select uninstall. Select uninstall again. After getting uninstall done, you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to open a browser and search for Discord. Press enter. Now click on the official Discord website under download. Click on it. And now click on download and download it guys. Wait for it until this download get done. After getting download done, click on it and install it guys. Now close out of the browser. Now it started installing guys. After getting installed and hopefully your problem resolved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.